Yeah? What?
What is that?
They have a lot of stuff on the streets now. If you want it. I think that's it.
Is this online too?
Yeah.
Whew. Okay, I need to get a PS4. This is fucking amazing. Or an Xbox One.
So anyways, that's Marco right there. Oh.
Hi.
So anyways, I'm making a video. I'm making a video right here. I'm just editing it. We just made a video. And yeah, so I'm just doing to get some more subscribers. Of course, you gotta make more videos to get more subscribers. So yes. Okay. So anyways, stop being ridiculous. So I'm making a video, and yeah. So like, subscribe, comment below. By the way, I'm eating Doritos, so my mouth is kind of dirty. So like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.